The Hyper GoGo Electric Bike for Kids is an innovative and exciting addition to the world of children's outdoor recreation. Designed to provide a fun and safe riding experience, this electric bike combines vibrant colors, a sturdy build, and features tailored for young riders. In this review, I'll dive deep into its design, performance, safety features, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your child. First impressions are everything, and the Hyper GoGo does not disappoint. The bike sports an eye-catching design with colorful accents that appeal to kids, making it not just a mode of transport but also a fashion statement. Available in a variety of colors, it caters to different preferences, ensuring that your child will find a style that resonates with their personality. The frame is constructed from durable materials, designed to withstand the rough and tumble of outdoor adventures. It feels solid yet lightweight enough for younger riders to manage easily. One of the standout features of the Hyper GoGo electric bike is its electric motor, which is specifically engineered for kids. The bike is equipped with a 24V battery that offers a smooth and quiet performance. It can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, which strikes a balance between thrilling and safe for young riders. With a range of approximately 10 to 15 miles on a single charge, it allows for extended riding sessions, making it perfect for neighborhood rides or trips to the park. The bike also charges relatively quickly, usually within 4 to 6 hours, allowing for minimal downtime between rides. The bike's handlebars are adjustable, accommodating various heights and ensuring that it can grow with your child. This is a thoughtful design element that not only enhances comfort but also promotes proper posture while riding. The seat is cushioned and can be adjusted to a comfortable height, further ensuring a pleasant riding experience. Safety is a paramount concern for any parent, and the Hyper GoGo electric bike addresses this need with several thoughtful features. The bike is equipped with a reliable braking system that includes both front and rear brakes, allowing for quick and effective stopping. The tires are designed for stability and traction, ensuring that the bike handles well on various terrains, whether it be smooth pavement or slightly bumpy grass. Additionally, the bike comes with a bell and reflectors, enhancing visibility and awareness during rides, especially in low-light conditions. Parents can rest easy knowing that the bike is equipped for safe operation. However, it is still crucial to equip your child with appropriate safety gear, such as a helmet and pads, to minimize the risk of injury during rides. Another notable feature is the bike's ease of use. The electric motor is activated with a simple throttle, making it easy for kids to learn how to ride without struggling with pedaling. This is particularly beneficial for younger or less experienced riders who may find traditional bikes challenging. As they gain confidence, they can experiment with the throttle and learn to control their speed in various situations. In terms of maintenance, the Hyper GoGo electric bike is quite user-friendly. The battery is easily accessible for charging, and the bike requires minimal upkeep. Minor adjustments can be made to the brakes and tires, ensuring that it remains in good working order with little hassle. One aspect worth mentioning is the weight limit of the bike. It is designed for children typically ranging from 6 to 12 years old, with a maximum weight capacity of around 110 pounds. This limitation is important to consider as it affects the bike's longevity and usability. As children grow, they may outgrow this bike sooner than expected, which could be a factor for those looking to invest in a long-lasting option. Pricing for the Hyper GoGo electric bike is competitive, making it accessible for many families looking for a quality electric bike for their kids. Given its features, performance, and safety considerations, it offers good value for the money. In summary, the Hyper GoGo electric bike for kids is a fantastic option for parents seeking a fun, stylish, and safe way for their children to enjoy outdoor activities. With its vibrant design, solid performance, and